Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing great. Today we will be learning about this cool transition. So let's not waste any time and get right into the software. I will show you what the entire clip was and how I have edited it. So let's dive right in. So what I have done is, over here I have already imported both the videos which was used in the clip, which you guys also saw. So I'll show you the entire clip, what was there besides the wall. So here you go. So there was this green backyard which I have replaced it with the other clip which I had shown you guys. So yeah, let's start the process. So the first part over here is you need to identify the first frame, the exact first frame from where the part besides the wall is starting to reveal. So let's identify that right now. So over here let's go frame by frame and let's see. So I guess the first frame would be this one. So as you guys can see, the part besides the wall is starting to reveal from this frame. So for this transition, you will have to use the masking tool. So I will be using the masking tool to mask the entire part besides the wall. So we'll start the process from this frame itself. So now you need to click on the video and then go to the FX control tab and click on the pen tool over here. So after clicking the pen tool, you can zoom in a little bit, about 50%, and then you can do the masking process. So this shape that I am drawing need not be too perfect, but zooming in will give you a little bit more comfort in drawing the shape. So once you're done with masking in the first frame, you need to go again to the FX control tab and click on inverted. So once you have clicked on inverted, the part which you had originally masked is been covered. So you can do some minor adjustments in the shape in case it's required. Yeah, so that's it. So after that you need to go again to the mask tab over here in the FX control. So you need to increase the mask expansion and also add some feather to it so that there is no sharp edge to the mask. Okay, so I would prefer it to be around 50%. Okay, and make sure that you click on this toggle animation over here. So this actually creates keyframes. Actually it saves changes of all the masking shapes that you do in the next frames ahead. Okay, so let's move on to the next frame over here in the video. So as you move ahead, you see there's a bigger part over here which has been revealed. So you need to mask this now. So again we'll click on mask over here and adjust the shape. So let's zoom in over here so that it's more comfortable doing the masking process. So now I guess this frame is done, and also if I know that I have to cover the entire screen with the mask, I always prefer to stretch the right hand side of the mask path a little bit more so that I need not worry about adjusting the shape on the right end of the mask path. So let's move ahead. So now in each frame you just have to move the mask to the left as you have already increased the mask to the right. So let's zoom in. So this entire process continues. You can shift the shape and then make some minor adjustments if required. You can also pull the mask back and see if it's properly aligned. So this process will continue. So we'll just go directly to that part where we are done with the masking process. So now basically if you see, the entire screen is filled with the mask, so that's why it's totally black. So you need to continue the entire process until the mask is totally covering the entire screen. Now that I have done this, I need to bring the second clip, which is over here, to the exact frame where the path besides the wall is starting to reveal. So I guess over here, yeah. So now that's it, you just need to play the video. So yeah, that's it. So this kind of transition can be used in any kind of footage wherein there's any object that is there in front of the subject that you're shooting, or if there's any object that is passing by while you're shooting. So you can try your hands on this and let me know if you have any queries. I will surely answer that. And I hope you could take something new out of this video and it really helped you. If yes, please leave a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel if you're new to the channel, and see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye.